Kapayapaan at lahat ng kabutihan sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid, at maligayang pagdating sa ating simbahan, ang simbahan ng parokya ng Mahal na Birhen ng Lourdes.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Mula ngayon, sa bawat desisyon na inyong gagawin, sa bawat pagpili na inyong gagawin, hari nawa, palaging nasa isip ninyo at nasa puso ninyo na mahal niyo ang bawat isa.
When you're too in love to let it go, but if you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face, and tears stream down your face. I promise you I will learn from my mistakes. Tears stream down your face, and lights will guide.
Patuloy tayong maging tapat, patuloy tayong magmahal sa ating mga asawa.
And I will try to fix you.